I'm pretty sure. Oh yes! Bought the wrong one and then sent it back. That's probably what it is. It's exactly. That's a spacer if you need that. You don't. I don't need that spacer. But here we go. Oh, look at this! Brand new. Right, so here's the new bottom bracket. So just like the other day, gonna just undo all of this. So I'm not turning to drink. Basically, I've run out of alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, so I'm gonna have to use some ouzo. It's gonna give this a clean. Right, that's in there now. So just got to get the cranks in there. So I've got the wavy washer on there as well. So let's just get all that in there. That obviously sits on the outside. Axle through now. Just need to get the other pedal on. There we go. Alright, we've got a washer in there. And then we're going to pop these in. Particularly that one there. There. Really get that up fairly tight. Sort of 20 Newton meters tight. There we go. Just about there. That's it. That's in. Nice and flat. Just make sure that it's flush. It's looking starting to. Looks like it's actually moving away. I'm gonna open the shock and the fork. So the headset is new on this now, so see how it performs, and then get this new bottom bracket on. Bye. Ground is a lot softer by here now because of the rain we've had. But it's still firm. Bike! Drop the saddle. Sure. You can get under there. Turning with my hips on that. Avoiding the rock. It's sketchy when it's a bit wet. Bike! Looks clear. And it'll go. The routes are going to be pretty sketchy today, so I'm going to hop over as many as I can. A nasty one there at an angle, and that's a nasty one. Ooh. It's the routes that go across the trail at a diagonal. They can pose a bit of a problem. And there's some sketchy routes. Oh. one I just went over then felt a bit iffy. It's quite a rowdy trail this, so I'll check the headset, make sure it's all tight at the bottom of this section. It's pretty windy in this field. Practically getting blown off the bike. That is ridiculous. No drag at all. The sort of benefits of XC tyres coming into their own. Right, take it steady down here because probably a lot of walkers out. Bike! Bike! Here's the little muddy climb. Chris King bottom brackets and these seal bearings. I don't know. Right. Beautiful with all the foliage hanging down. Absolutely stunning. Right. I am cautiously looking all the way down for the simple reason that there are bulls in here at times. And yeah, there they are. There they are. Oh my god. Right, I'm coming back this way. I'm not hanging about. No. Waiting to bump into a herd of bulls. I'm going to turn back and enjoy this bit of XC riding right here. Yeah, you can see their hoof marks in the mud. Rather be on the safe side. At least I got to ride in amongst some trees. Cow parsley. Something is very polleny. Bike! It's got that pungent smell. Oh, load of it. Of course, it looks like elderflower. Right, we're up on this climb now, so I'm going to zoom to the top. I start working hard. Mind you, I don't know. Yeah, I think one hole in one side and a hole in the other. I should do it. Whew. Right. I'm in the 50 tuft. Oh. Oh, thank you. Let's go through here. Oh. Oh. Oh, here we are. Don't like bikes, my goodness. Lovely views.